my channel. So ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng aking na-receive na exchange gift or gift exchange from my party, Filipino party. So I'm excited to show it to you kung ano yung itsura nitong aking grillet. Okay? Actually, yung price niya, the real price niya dito ay $41. Yeah. It's $41 at TJ Maxx. And because it's sale, Christmas sale, it turns to $29.99 na lang. So, yun. Actually, yung worth of our gift exchange is worth $20, but the owner, the host of the Christmas party is very generous, you know. She's a very nice lady. She is very nice lady. So, yan. She has, pangalan niya sa Ate Helen. So, yan. So, I never expect that na mabubunot ko to. So, ayan. Ang kanyang brand is Aroma. 3-in-1 Grillet. Grill, simmer, and stew. Then, where is it? It's here. It's grill, simmer, and stew. So, tatlo ang kanyang purpose. Usually, if I cook a steak for Captain T, I just only use the regular pan. Yan. So, ito yung box niya. Hi, I'm struggling. So, yan. Oops. Ayan siya. Ito yung kanyang cover. Ang galing ng plastic. Yan. It's glass. Yan. Tapos ito yung kanyang instructor manual. Yan. Malinis. Ito yung kanya. Ito kanya yung plug. Ito siya. Ito yung plug niya, guys. So, meron siyang numbers here for how many degrees you have to turn on. It depends what you cook. It depends how long you cook the food in this pan. So, yan. It's heavy. So, I think naka-stick siya together. Yan. Ayan siya. So, I can cook the... Matibay siya, ha? Mabigat. So, ayan. Nandito. Ito yung plug niya. So, yan. So, ganyan siya. And the cover. Voila. Is that easy? Yan. Easy to use. Wow. May bago na naman akong gamit sa aking kusina. Ganda. Yan. I'm excited to use this one. Our grill steak tomorrow dinner. And maybe I can grow also some vegetable here like zucchini. Yes. Ano ba yun? Talong. Yan. I can grill it here. Nice. God, I love it. So, clear glass siya. You can see it while you're cooking. And it is a non-stick pan. And removable temperature. So, you can change it. The temperature you can put in high or in low temperature here. This is the bottom of this, the controller of temperature. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty neat. I love it. just another blessing that I would like to share, guys. I'm excited to share all this Christmas present that I received this year, and I hope you like it also, because I really do like it. Yep, so that's it. That's all I can share today to you guys, and see you for my next vlog. Mabuhay kayong lahat.